Hello, friends, and welcome back to Graceful Health After 60. I'm your host. Today, we're diving into an important topic, especially if you enjoy raw onions. The title sounds dramatic, but there's a powerful message here. Those who eat raw onions should watch this video before it's too late. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive, digestion changes, reflux becomes more common, and nutrient absorption shifts. That raw onion you slice into a salad might be more than just a sharp flavor boost. It might be irritating your stomach, disrupting digestion, or upsetting your gut health. But don't worry, we'll also highlight the benefits of onions and how to enjoy them safely. On one hand, onions are health supportive. They're loaded with beneficial compounds like quercetin, a powerful antioxidant linked in some trials to slowing age-related cognitive decline, and prebiotic fibers like inulin that feed good gut bacteria, supporting digestion, immunity, and mood. Studies also suggest onion extract can help lower blood pressure, support healthy blood sugar levels, and even enhance bone mineral density, especially important after 60. These benefits are real and especially valuable for older adults monitoring cardiovascular health, cognitive wellness, and bone strength. On the other hand, raw onions can come with downsides, especially for aging bodies. They're high in fructans, which can lead to bloating, gas, or worsening of IBS and reflux symptoms. The sulfur compounds that give onions their zest may trigger heartburn in those who are prone to reflux. And there's a mild blood-thinning effect that could interact with anticoagulant medications like warfarin. So this isn't about avoiding onions altogether. It's about being thoughtful with how they're prepared, how much we eat, and how they pair with other foods. How then do we find the balance? The expert approach suggests enjoying cooked onions more often than raw. Gentle sautéing or caramelizing softens the fibers and reduces reflux triggers, while preserving much of the flavor and nutritional benefit. If you enjoy raw onions, start small. Perhaps just a quarter of an onion, and eat it with other foods to buffer the effects. You can also soak thin raw slices in cold water for about 10 minutes to reduce the harsh sulfur bit and help ease both taste and digestion. Or swap in chives or scallion greens for a mild onion flavor with fewer digestive triggers. Another option is pickled onions or roasted preparations, reducing intensity while retaining flavor and some nutrients. To make these ideas practical, here's a gentle routine. Start your morning with scrambled eggs and a sprinkle of chopped chives. At lunch, try a leafy green salad topped with soaked red onion slices. For dinner, enjoy grilled chicken or fish with a side of caramelized onions paired with roasted veggies. This keeps meals balanced and flavorful without overwhelming the digestive system. Variety is helpful too. Foods like berries and apples also offer flavonols like quercetin, which help reduce frailty risk in seniors. So using onion powder or herbs like thyme and oregano can further boost antioxidant intake without irritation. In summary, raw onions bring valuable nutrients, antioxidant quercetin, prebiotics, and potential benefits for the brain, heart, and bones. But they can also cause digestive discomfort or interact subtly with medications as we age. With simple swaps and smarter prep, cooked forms, mild greens, pickled options, soaking techniques, and balanced meal pairing, older adults can continue to enjoy onions safely and deliciously.